Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today we are opening the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for April 2021. So if you would like to see what I got in this bag, keep watching. This is the bag for March. Let's see what the card says. This is very thin, very light. This is the April. Where the hell am I at? March. I'll have to redo that. Anyway, this is the April 2021 Glam Bag Plus. This is the Force of Nature. That's the theme for this month. Whether you love your naked face or feel naked without your red lipstick, do what feels natural to you. When confidence is the first step in your routine, you can't be stopped. And that's true. All right, so I'm just going to dump everything out and we'll go through it. Cute little beachy-like type bag. First thing I see is the LM Rescue Butter. Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. And guys, I'm sorry, I can't tell you what I picked because I have been really just not out of it. Well, I have because of the shot, but I've not been real active on social media. I haven't watched a whole lot of unboxings. I haven't really done much of anything. So I'm on my phone recording, so I can't tell you what I picked or anything like that. So this is a multi-use balm. Use as a moisturizer. Rub small amounts of the balm between your fingers and then apply to your face and massage until absorbed. Use as a treatment. Apply to any dry or cracked area as required, such as lips, elbows, and heels. Use as a cleanser. Massage a generous amount throughout your face while avoiding the eyes and gently wipe away with a cotton pad. So you have lots of ways to use this, and I will use this because I have extremely dry and dehydrated skin. So this is great. Then the next thing I see is the Akar Skin Pure Lip Restoration. Damn it, dogs. Let's see what this is. I think it's a lip balm. I remember seeing this, so I may have picked this one. I'm not sure. Sorry. It is a lip, no smell, but I will use this. Let's see if it has directions on here. I don't have my good contacts in. Let's see, how to use. Spread a layer over lips as needed. Apply a thicker layer as an overnight lip protectant. Can also be used as a multi-purpose balm. So kind of like this. Ipsy's really good at sending me doubles. Okay, so then the next thing I have is I have no idea how to pronounce this, but it's a brush set. We will open them up. Y'all know I'm addicted to brushes. I don't know why. I have so many brushes. And actually, speaking of brushes, I'm going to be giving away some brushes that I'm not using anymore, and I don't need all these brushes. Everywhere you look, there's brushes. And then some. I will probably take brushes off of my profile on Ipsy now because I got plenty. Okay, so these, I don't know the name of these. Bow something. I don't know. But they're very pretty. They have like an off-white base. They're soft. So this is, I got a crease brush. I got a concealer brush. I got a illuminator brush. This one actually, I don't want to put, this one is really nice. It's kind of thick. I got a double-ended brow brush. And then I got the tapered blending brush. So these are really nice. There. And as I said, these are the Shayna B. I think I picked these because I do have the Shayna B bronzer brush. So I did pick these, but those I think were included in my bag now that I think about it. And these are black and rose gold. They're decent. This is the blending brush. This is the eye crease brush. This is the concealer brush. This is the smudger brush. And this is the shadow brush. But they'll still get used. If I decide to keep them, I might put them in a giveaway or something. I'm not sure. I already have brushes to give away and brand new set of brushes to give away. So we'll put these. The last thing that I see is the Galactic lip balm. Ipsy, you've got to stop putting doubles of things in boxes. I get double moisturizers, I get double lip balms, I get double brushes, I get double of everything with Ipsy. That's the only thing I do not like. So this is the component. Oh, that smells really nice. Feels nice too. Smells like watermelon. Cute little component. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 things. So guys, that was my Ipsy Glam bag. Plus, what do you think about my Ipsy Glam bag? Has anyone ever used this brand before? I've never even heard of them. Now I have heard of the Akar and this one and the Shayna B, but I've also not heard of this one. So yeah. So what do y'all think about my Ipsy Glam bag? Did you like it? It was an okay box. It wasn't the greatest in the world, but it was an okay box. I'm excited about the next month's box though, because it's the Courtney Glam Bag X box. So I'm really excited to get that one. And do you get Ipsy? If you do, please let me know down in the comments. And if you don't get Ipsy and you would like to try, I will leave my link down in the description. I do not make any money off of it. It's just points to buy things with. I'm saving them up. So yeah, if you liked it, give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and ringing that bell so you don't miss a beat. And I will see you in the next one. Stay blessed.